And now we will draw the views of a T shape like this. Well, something like this, more or less. First of all, we draw the three directions from which we can see the figure. Which is the direction from which I can better see the figure? I can appreciate the real shape of the figure. That's a T shape. That's a T shape. I can see the T shape from this point. So this is the front view. This will be the top view. This will be the side view, left side view. I draw a little cross. This is the left side view. I will draw it on the right. So here I will draw the front view. It's a T shape. Well, it should be the same size, but yeah, okay. This is what. And now, the top view. That's it. That's what I can see from the top view. The side view. But listen, this is what I can see from the front. From the front, I can see this T shape. This is this. From the top, I can see a big rectangle. From the side, I can see this and this. But look, really, from the top, I should draw this. There are hidden lines. Because if I look the figure not from the top, but from the bottom, I could see the shape. So this is the solution of this case. Thank you.